Okay, I have this 1 year caliper and I tried to actually measure the bore of this sleeve. As you can see, these are sleeve, and at the parameter I can see little gap, tiny, so it's a sleeve. What is the diameter of this sleeve? It is, when I measured, I am very good in millimeter metric system, so it says 89 mm. 89 mm inside diameter of the sleeve. So I will go and on the internet and Google and see what available sleeve sizes are, and what are the sizes. Do they say in millimeter or in inches? I believe it, I've seen before it was in inches, SAE system, I think. So but yeah, I can understand this 89 millimeter. Actually it is, yep. So yeah, I will interpret this measurement to the appropriate one and see what kind of kit I need. However, I will take it to the machinist first to see what he can find other than this single crack on the side, and then we will be good. Bye.